Go ahead and flip the mouse over and use your thumb to release the back plate here. And here is where you will find the USB-A adapter for your mouse. Let's go ahead and leave that right here. Let's close this back up. And then let's go ahead and switch the mouse to the on position here. Now let's connect this USB adapter to our PC. Now at the back of your PC, go ahead and locate one of the ports here for USB. We're going to use this one right here. And all we have to do is just take this, connect this in. Alright, we got the Logitech USB adapter all connected in. Let's go ahead and check the PC. Now we go ahead and we take our mouse here. Let's go ahead and right click. And Task Manager opens up. Let's go ahead and move the mouse. Let's go ahead and try right clicking one more time here. Just like that, it works.